Regarding the chatbot, so basically we have a conversation AI and we can totally train multiple bots. We can create and train multiple bots. We can give them information. We can train them. We can edit the prompt. And like this is how the looks like. Let me show you. Yeah, bot settings. You can set up the settings. How does it work? Autopilot makes it answer everything on its own, and you can choose the platforms that you want it to work. Uh, all these are the included ones, and you can put it a name and these are some settings and bot training. So basically, you can train the bot over here, and this is where you can in the bot goals. This is where you can edit the prompt. There are some fields that you can edit the prompt, and you can also set the bot to like book an appointment, trigger a workflow, get the contact information, or you can stop the bot on a specific condition. So first of all, it's going to answer the questions no matter what. And
Mm.
then you can specify, okay, what is the purpose of this bot? You can turn these on, these multiple things on. For example, I can also turn this on. I can specify, okay, when do I want to, like, for example, if this is a scenario, then turn the bot off. And if you want a bot to help you book an appointment. Like it can tell the person, okay, these are the slots that we have, or it can simply send them the link and to book the call, to book the appointment. And you can also trigger a workflow when a specific condition is met or when the conversation is ended with the bot. So, or you can ask it to, okay, hey, ask these questions. I want to collect name, email, or any. For example, I want to know the age of that person, so I will choose over here. I will select the custom fields and all that. And also, we have voice agents, voice AI agents as well. Right? Like the conversation AI bot is working on the chat side. The voice AI agent is working on the inbound calls. So you can have the, but this is an additional add-on feature basically. It will fetch all the, it will take care of all the calls. You can train it, and it's really good for the voice AI agent is really good. It works well. It can
So
take care of the calls and